is, guys. The green Senna that belongs to Michael Fuchs. Why is this fucking Mustang gone the wrong way? Anyways, what is this Mustang doing? Boy! Got the green carbon Senna just chilling there. Check out this. Dude, this Mustang has gone the wrong way twice. Guys, the combos here. We got the Chevy 307, the Mulsanne in green. We got the Rolls Royce in green. The man's pants are green. Of course, we got the Senna right there too, so that's pretty nice. We got the Cherry Bomb Regera. What's he about to do? There we go, guys. Got all the Koenigseggs lined up here for lunch at the local In-N-Out, and this is not an In-N-Out, it's a Holiday Express. Whoops. Anyways, the Regera's back. I think all the cars are about to bounce, so let's see what happens. Got the Dragon and the Door side by side here. I don't have my polarizer, but the carbon fiber on the Dragon is a lot darker and blacker. Oh, this one's a little bit lighter. It's got more dust. You can't really see it. It's hard to, hold on, let me try and like, you sort of see some of the sparkly dust there. And it's also got the massive fin and an In-N-Out bag. Look at the dog.
What's his name?
George.
George. Oh my goodness.
He's taking all the attention.
Yay.
George. That's such an
Oh, we got the K truck and the dog. Oh, the ultimate combo. There you go, guys. The K truck and the puppy getting more love and attention than all the Koenigseggs here combined. I promised you guys that I'll get some footage of the Koenigseggs leaving. I completely lied. We're gonna hop in the Lexus LS 500 right over here and roll out. Whoa, Aussie some. Oh, I get it. Ha ha. It's a Hold'em. Clever. Dude, the traffic here is absolutely insane. The show has not even begun. Guys, get ready. Currently here for the Exotics on Cannery Row show. Now, if you guys ever watch like storm chasers, or like, you know those guys who are crazy enough to chase tornadoes and go directly into the shitstorm? That's exactly what is about to happen right here during Car Week. So stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of police, a lot of good cars too, and a lot of people. So here we go. Guys, the show hasn't even started. It finally begins. The moment we've been all waiting for. Here we go. I don't have a polarizer, so everything looks extremely... Hey, Audi of Fremont, that's where I'm from. Respect. Oh my goodness. Look at the sea of people. What time is it? It's like what, 3 p.m.?
2:30.
2:30. The show has not even started. We're done for. Oh, we just got people left and right here just standing around waiting for the cars to roll through. It's only 2:30 p.m. Dude, the city of Monterey is done for.
Can you even see anything?
I can't even see anything. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. All right, guys, the Koenigseggs have arrived. Everyone is in a massive, crazy motherfucking fervor here. Stay tuned. We got the Regera rolling through first. Bam. Check out this vantage point that we found. It's a little bridge. It's a pedestrian bridge that connects one end to that end. And now we're rolling. Check it out, guys. Got prime views of Exotics on Cannery Row. Here we go. That's pretty cool. We got the High Sport rolling in right over there. Massive wing. No rags to be heard. Oh, there you go. Okay, just a little bit. Damn, he's got this shot, dude. Look at that. He can't handle it. Check this out, guys. We got a pretty good vantage point, and the little Cinque toy right there next to the Pagani stand. There's a little pedestrian bridge that connects to this plaza, and we're still at Cannery Row here, but what the fuck is Miss Kitty gonna tell me today? I'm doing it, guys. I gotta know my fortune. I need to know my fortune. Here we go. $1. Ooh. What's she gonna do?
I am Miss Kitty the Wise.
Oh.
Listen to me closely now, my dear. It is better to keep your mouth shut and be thought a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. As well, my dear, it's wise to be taking good advice when you hear it. Return to Miss Kitty, and I will give you more words of wisdom.
The fuck? Did she just like diss me, dude? Oh, I get a little ticket. Now we're rolling. Hold on, let's see what we got here. Oh, your fortune. This is my fortune, guys. It's pretty long, but I'll read it to you guys in a bit. We gotta go back to Exotics and Cannery Row. Check out the guy in the vest. He's honking a horn. Yeah. We got the Zonda F from Paraguay, just chilling and parking right over there. So it's getting pretty crazy right here. The whole lineup. Look at the crowd. As far as the eye can see, we're still chilling here at this pedestrian bridge. Everyone's egging on the owners to do a little revy rev, but some are not complying. Others are, oh, they got the doors up. Everyone got scared. Everyone got scared. You ask, you shall receive. That guy right there, he's just fucking covering the ears up. No one's moving. You'll be fine. We got all the Koenigseggs rolling through right now, guys. RS1, a Crazy Mike, Dragon, CCX, World Record Edition, and I think that's it. Naughty boy. We got Thor, one of the final editions, right next to Vader. There you go, guys. Got the bird's eye view right here, locking it down. Question is, will we get another rev? The guy painting out the sunroof barely got through. There you go. Get the shot. But unfortunately, what's happening is there are people behind the Koenigseggs, so there's no shot to be had. Ooh, a setup. So guys, we got half a donk right here. Stay tuned. I'll be back at the Florida Classics in November. Stay tuned for the future donk show. Oh no, naughty boy here. We have found the most amazing thing here. This lady has a P1, a LaFerrari, and a Veyron in her trunk of the van, and a stroller. There's two dogs. One's right here. Hello. You're so cute. Dog spot. Yes. Is that your Instagram right there?
Yeah.
At Pink Hot Rod? Perfect.
Pink Hot Rod.
Everyone, there it is. Follow at Pink Hot Rod. I'm sorry, it's not a real parrot, but she does have a dog. It's got sparkly, glitzy wheels on it too. This is pretty amazing. The P1 has air conditioning. Oh my God. I feel the air. Now there's a parrot in here. I don't know what's going on over there, but here we go. What is it, like a KHK combo? KHK's new whips. Got the P1, the Veyron, and I think we got the LaFerrari coming soon. We're legit detailing the cars.
This is good.
That's awesome, dude. Guys, the whole squad is ready to roll. Check it out. That puppy on the LaFerrari, glitter on the P1 wheels, and it's a parrot. And we got the dog on the Veyron. Everyone, forget the cars behind me. They're irrelevant. Got the whole squad rolling in. Yes. All right, guys, we just left Exotics on Cannery Row. Pretty decent show, and the GTO is right in front of us. The white one with the red stripe, and of course, we got the local PD locking it down, baby. Now, who gets to go? I'll go, I guess. I don't know. 599 GTO. Ooh. We're here at the Aston Martin party, and yeah, that's it. Last minute leaves right before dinner. We got the roof CTR3 right up here, guys. Look at that on the Montana plate. Ooh. Hey, there's Max Shostak getting the shot. Get the shot, Max!